time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, nothing lasted.
Good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. This is Engineer Properties. This afternoon I think to bring you updates from developments around Makarios, the luxury place. I am standing right here at the 6-lane Lekki Expressway. As you can see, the road has advanced and the roadway has been paved. That great engineering work have taken place here. So today we take our time to give you updates of development in this beautiful luxury place. Come with me as we are going to take you right inside to see the development at the Antizos, the Makarios, and all the service plots that are being developed here. And of course, we'll give you updates on the water display fountain. Are you going to watch to the end? Come with me, let's go in. If you watched my video last time, you will see that this aspect was construction last week. This drain part was also being built. Right now you can see that the bond wall for this road have been constructed. As you can see, the bond wall right away, and the fence was in progress then. You can see it's been finished, remaining to paint the fence right now. We will now that the road have been and graded, is remaining to do the pavement down here. Let us go inside the estate and see what's going on there. Welcome to the main gate, entrance gate of Makarios, the luxury place. As you can see, great engineering place being done right in this estate. A barrier that will separate the commercial wing from the residential wing of the estate is right here, progressing rapidly. Come with me and I will give you full details of what is happening in this estate, the luxury place. You don't need to wait to subscribe into this estate today. Come with me right away. Let's go. Great. Welcome to Swift Street in Makarios, the luxury place. As you can see, this street is great. The drainage system has been I want to show you one fantastic thing about Makarios, the luxury place. This estate is configured in such a way that all the amenities will reach everybody. In other words, you are not going to come into this estate and you will start drilling your own borehole. No, we are going to make provision for pipe-borne water. In other words, if this place is your plot in Makarios, you will have water to connect. All you need to do is to tap into water from this point. Is that interesting? Is that not interesting? I believe that's the kind of thing you are looking for. How about electricity? The same thing with electricity. The piping of all the electrical in this estate has already been done. In other words, if you have water from this plot, all you need to do is to just connect to the central main line and then to power your house. How about that? That is very fantastic. And the same thing applies to waste management. If it's a pumping system or whatever, there is a central waste management system. This place of luxury, wow, you cannot beat this place. My brother, my sister, my friend out there that is looking for a beautiful place where you can stay to call a home. The dream home that you are expecting, it is Makarios. Don't miss this property. But follow me, I still have other updates to give you in this place of luxury. Let's go. Let me now take you to the service plots, the 24 units of the Antizos that has been activated, so that you see the developments that are currently going on there. Please come with me right away. Well, great. As you can see, the last time I came here, you saw in my video that the reverse was then ready. But right away today, you can see that they have the base wrap for these and chisels. Okay? Now, right away, as you can see, what is going on here? The pillars that will elevate the work is currently being installed. If you look right inside, you can see that a lot of the estates, all of them have been casted right there. Okay? And the pillars are being developed right here. One beautiful thing about this place of luxury is that the speed of work is fantastic. In other words, if you subscribe, and we have told you that it will take 18 months, only 18 months for your house to be ready. You can see the place at which we are going right here. Certainly, we are working with that timeline in mind. The idea is to make sure that if you expect your plot or your flat in 18 months, you will certainly get it delivered in 18 months. That is the idea behind it. One other fantastic thing you can see going on here is the quality of this place. The quality of engineering going on here is fantastic. You can see that the formwork, as you can see right here, are well pure, fixed, okay? And the materials that are used for the formwork are superb. The concrete mix, as you can see going on here, are to specification. And everything is according to the design standard of Lagos State Government and Engineering Code. Already the service inputs in this estate have been fixed so that you don't have to start cracking or doing other things right here. Like I said, Makarios is a place of luxury. You cannot beat this place. Right away, let us give you other updates about other developments in this estate and tell you the reason why you should subscribe right now. Please come with me. I will also want to show you that the block work has already commenced right here. The idea about all of this is to meet with our proposed timeline for this project. Please watch this video to the end so that you will get other details that we are providing for you in this place of luxury. Certainly you can see that the dualization of the road is fastly going on. This is the museum for this road, as you can see right away. Okay, the engineering work is going on, as you can see right away. Okay, and that's exactly the median. Everywhere is going to be fantastic, and like we did say to you, as we are doing the road, we are also providing the infrastructure that will make this place fantastic for you. Right here, you're going to have a dot that will carry the cabling, electrical cabling, the water line, and also the internet that will be in this place of luxury. So in other words, you're going to connect water to your facility, you connect your sewage system to the facility, you also connect the internet to your home. This is a place of luxury. You cannot beat it. Continue to watch this video to the end, and I want to take you right to the water display fountain so that you will see the developments that have taken place right there. Let's go. So like I did tell you that the water will be run across in this estate. The idea is if your house is here, you will certainly have water. This is water line that is being done right. Okay? Wow! See the water.
Everything will last forever. The rage is calm. I felt so young. Name you walk. Ash you glow. Distance, we've got distance to play.
So you can see the progress of work. The last time
anytime it blows your mind.
those houses that we are going to accommodate the computers and the phones and the outside landscaping is currently taking place.
But everything will last for a name. The rage has come.
What are you waiting for?
So young, never call your name you walk from ash to glow. I found
here. Also on sale in this place of luxury are commercial plots. Commercial plots are going for 300,000 per square meters. Do you need 1,000 square meters? Do you need 600 square meters? You can get it right here in this place of luxury. Call Engineer Ephraim. My job is to bring you these fantastic products that are reliable and will help you find pleasure and that comfort that you can. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and comment so that I'll be able to get back to you right. Until the next video.